So how much can you borrow for US real estate if you're a non-resident, you're a foreigner, you don't have a social security number, you don't have US credit? Well, there are loan products available. I use them. I've used them to build my own portfolio in the US as a foreigner. And it's also something we help our clients do as well when they're buying rental properties in the US. It's called a DSCR loan. It's only suitable for rental properties that are generating enough cash flow to cover the cost of the mortgage and the other operating costs like property taxes, insurance, and any HOA, homeowners association, if there is one. Um, but if you've got that kind of property, you're buying a rental property and it's got good cash flow, you'll be able to borrow as a foreigner up to 70% loan to value. So the lender's going to get an appraisal of the property, which you're going to pay for as the borrower. The appraiser's going to tell the lender what it's worth, and you'll be able to borrow 70% of that. Now, that said, once you have that first deal under your belt, you can then apply for a social security number because you'll have US income, and you can also start building your US credit. And if you do those two things over the course of the next few years, you'll be able to access a wider range of DSCR loans and maybe get up to 80% loan to value when you come to refinance. And that's going to help you pull all of your down payment out of that property, provided that property is appreciated in value, and then go buy your next rental property. So as a foreigner, initially you can borrow up to 70%. And if you build your US credit over that period of time when you first hold the property, you'll be able to get up to 80% later on down the line.